It appears that these markets are waiting for the FOMC Fed meeting on Wednesday because they certainly aren't doing nothing right now. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, the 19th of September. And right now, I feel like the Cleveland Browns of Sunday football. What a joke. Anyways, markets are lethargic, pathetic, lower, but they've had a nice rally off the bottoms. They opened higher, they went lower. They were down big, and they were around moderate and tried to rally, and now they're starting to fail again. I guess we must be waiting for the Fed. I don't know what the hell we're waiting for. It is pathetic. In the bottom line, we're short across the board. S&P, Dow, NASDAQ, and Russell. We could be higher when you get this. We could be lower. I don't know. There's going to be a bounce at some point this week. You can bet on it. Okay, you can't bet on it because we don't know when, but there's going to be a big rip-your-face-off rally here at some point. Maybe it'll be in conjunction with the imbeciles from the Federal Reserve. In the meantime, crude is down $1.20, but it was down about $3. And it's made a huge move back forward. And what's keeping it down is interesting. Again, we're going to have to research this a little bit and find out what the hell is actually floating it to keep it down in the first place with this moronic energy policy. Okay, but we're still short. Net gas is lower. We're still short. Bonds and notes are lower. We're still short those as well. But they've been fairly volatile, going back and forth. Again, they got to go lower. Interest rates are going higher. That's it. Okay. Gold is getting hammered again. Oh, no shock. We're still short. Silver is flat, so slightly lower. We're long. The world's worried about the strength of the dollar. I don't know. I guess they're worried about they can't scam the U.S. anymore. I don't know. In the meantime, the dollar is higher. We're still long. Euro currency is lower. We're still short. Bitcoin is lower. We're short. And the copper is lower and we're short. The grain markets are mixed, but wheat's getting clobbered, down about 35 cents. We're long them all. Corn is down a little bit. Beans are up a little bit. In the protein complex, feeders are slightly higher. We're short. Fats and feeders are a wash. One's higher, one's lower. I mean, we're long one, short one, and they're exactly the same. And hogs, which we are long, are slightly lower. But again, it's so quiet, it's hard to even fathom anything here. And in the softs, you've got cocoa higher, we're short. Cotton lower, we're short. Sugar lower, we're short. OJ flat, we're long. And coffee lower, and we're short. Look, it's quiet. This is, again, I know you don't want to hear me say this, but just be careful. Don't get too aggressive here. This is not a market that is meant for aggression. This is a market meant to be passive, waiting for your right opportunities. And my guess is the opportunity is going to be the rip-your-face-off rally to sell it. Okay. In the meantime, don't forget about our sponsors on the side there. High school program on the bottom, but Capital Trading Group, best for commodities and futures. And, of course, Tradier Brokerage, who is sponsoring our live stream and our Vegas event, which means you get the early bird if you have an account there, or you open a new account there, which is like saving $500. And of course, you got a doubleheader tonight in Monday Night Football. It's hard to lay 10 with Buffalo against Tennessee, but it's hard to take it. Okay, I do like Minnesota. If it gets up to 3, I would love it. Okay, I'm going to play Minnesota. Right now it's 2.5, but I'm going to take Minnesota plus 3 if I can get it. But I am going to take a little bit on the money line as well. And in the meantime, have a great day, everybody. Just be careful and keep yourself out of harm's way because the markets will be open tomorrow, just like they are today. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you later. Bubba's Daily Update.